my table of unboxing as you saw from the last video. This is record again from the same video, even probably the same angle. The GoPro is now out of the case and now just chilling. It's still on, yeah, it's still on from the last video. We also unboxing something else. Protective housing for GoPro Hero 9, 11, 10 and 12. I know I said it in not the right order. So you'd be the lucky owner of owning a 9, like I am owning a 9. Also stay tuned for a comparison test between these two. And a comparison test, does it actually matter to have this or a proper lavalier mic, like a proper mic on top? Just stay tuned for more videos. Let me put this on charge, because the original battery that came inside there, it's dead and my one is full, so I'm just using my battery for now. So let's get to the protective housing. It starts from the bottom. We peel. How satisfying. You can see it's made for 60 meters underwater. You can go. You will see why it's made for 60 meters underwater. So let's take this out. Nice box. You know, have it in the background like that, like a cool addition to the background. And this for now. So you get another one of these stupid clips. Not stupid clips, but one of these one clips again. A screw. You can see another screw. No, I definitely now want to buy one for myself. Curse you, college. How the hell do I do this paper origami? I mean, at the end of the day, it's just a thing that an insert that'd be thrown out anyway. So you get two doors. First door is this little hole. I'll explain why. And then you get this. Oh, yeah, it's like an origami. I can throw this in a bit. There you go. You get this very tough, nice case. I will probably actually buy myself this case. I actually need to, because my my GoPro specifically has an all GoPros have this issue for some reason. Notice how the power button is like very good. Hold on. Notice how my one is like slowly sunking in and the rubber is deteriorating. That's what happens when you use it a lot. Like when you press until it becomes not water resistant. This is water resistant. This is, I have no idea anymore if it's water resistant. But yeah, back to the table. I have no idea if this, yeah, good enough. And this is not turning on. Why is that turning on? I have no idea. It should be turning on. The battery is like so flat in it. Anyway, so here's a case. You open it, you shove your GoPro in, and you close it in. There you go. You now have a rugged, good case that you can basically throw around. Let's get the satisfying peels also. Oh, I need to. Get the satisfying peel action. A bit more brightness so you can see. There you go. Ah, that's so satisfying. Look at this. It looks good, doesn't it? No. Okay, let's go back to the table. So you open the case again. open the case, get the GoPro out. Obviously, in that you can't touch the glass back, right? So you can take the door off, simple as that, and have another door, you can see right there, with a hole in the back. So you can have, there you go. Now you have a full case to the thing without worrying about breaking the GoPro. You can just like have, thing. So yeah, kind of cool thing. GoPro casing. Unboxing, actually, just for the thumbnail. We're gonna have. Also, we'll do a comparison test in like without the case and with the case. If it doesn't change the audio or anything like that, because with the case the audio will be slightly different than without the case. I will do a video also, get start guide on how to doing it. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. Subscribe to the channel of this, and I don't need to do the subscribe thing. I already have ending thing, so it's just different language. This saying, hey, bye. Here's a quick starter guide, basically, and yeah. I hope you enjoyed this quick unboxing video. Thank you for watching to the end of the video. Next on, whatever YouTube thinks is important. And here, you can subscribe. Or you can scroll down for more information, like our link tree, or Discord server, or whatever we think important to you to see.